happening, guys? Right, the M3 is back from last week's video. I started doing more point of view videos compared to obviously the M140, which did really well. So at the moment, this M3 from previous videos running 560 brake horsepower, so it's tuned by boot mod. This may definitely be a potential next car for the channel. I'm really impressed by the power delivery, the torque, the handling, everything. It's just insane. We're gonna go for a point of view drive now, kind of some fuel pulls, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, of course, and hopefully let's blow. Perfect. Filming is there. Yeah. Go left, yeah. You can tell me if to go left or right. It's fine. It's all right. You know, the one thing when I noticed about driving this thing is it does feel like you know you're driving a BMW. There's no doubt about to it. So that's comfort, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, fair enough.
Like M140 is equivalent of Eco Pro.
Okay. It's actually not that bad. Even driving as a normal, it's quite comfortable. I think as driving an M3, so from an M140i all the way to an M3, the biggest thing you notice is obviously the handling, the setup. And you can see how, for example, like when you just drive normal, how you feel so gripped to the ground. I think that's probably because you've got an LSD, but then once you chuck it into, is it M2? That one? Yeah. Yeah, so you put your foot down. It's such a gradual, the power's so gradual, and it's such a, the one thing I like about it, there's no lag, it's very persistent on moving forward. I'm hoping the camera's actually capturing this. It's actually not that bad. I love the, have you done the rev matching as well on this?
It comes like that from factory.
Oh, okay, yeah, you notice how it revs really well at the right RPM, for the right speed. Yeah, this is a car, I think if I were ever to buy one, it would be the most anti-social thing there is on the road.
So you can't turn the burbles up.
See that lady?
Yeah, the burbles are on low at the minute.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, do you turn it up from your phone?
Yeah, you can turn it up from your phone, yeah.
I thought it has burbles on the fly, like MG Flasher. Ooh, yeah. Oh, definitely have a lot of fun in this, there's no doubt about it. Maybe when you chuck it, ooh. I love the rev matching thing, I think it's wicked.
Feel like skating around.
Yeah. I think I'm used to that with the M140i. I'm very used to it snaking around.
Yeah.
So it's relatively easy-ish for me.
Yeah.
But when you said early on, and a lot of M3 and M4 owners will vouch for this, the car will signal you when it's about to slip out. I felt it. Yeah, I did feel it. I was like, it's going to slip out a little bit. Then it did.
If you're a good driver,
yeah,
it's easier to drive and control.
100%. So if you tell me you feel a bit uncomfortable, let me know.
Cool. If you don't know what you're doing though, an LSD is more dangerous because you can go into a full drift at any speed.
100%. Yeah, you feel like you're an M3. It's really cool. But then once you chuck it back into, let's just say comfort as example, yeah, it definitely, there's no doubt about it. It feels like just a normal M3. It sounds like if you put the window up, you can hardly hear it. And I think that's what I like the most. And I think the biggest thing for me is the handling. It's like you saying earlier on how it twists around the road. It feels like it's four-wheel drive. And a lot of people will disagree with me on that one and probably say it's not, but it does. Because
as long as you've got the right tyres, the tyres are warm, the roads are dry.
100%.
The handling is out of the box. It's a very good handling car.
Chuck it, so. You know, the one thing I don't think you mentioned was when you chuck it into drive and then you chuck it into, well, M2, let's say, it switches so quickly. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, it just bounces. Gets you ready, isn't it?
Yeah, oh, fun. You know what, yeah, this is definitely, I've driven an M4 and an M3 now. It's, yeah, M3 all day long. That's awesome. Also, it's the gear changes. They're not as aggressive as what I would have thought.
I was saying to you earlier, I turned the dump down on it.
Yeah.
So if I turn that dump up, it will kick so aggressively on the upshifts, it will throw the car out. I go sideways on the upshift, so I've turned it down. It makes it more drivable.
Oh wow. Even just normal driving, it's actually really, really good. Good. So we'll chuck it in that. I like the fucking hell. I might get a little bit too excited. Just let me know when you feel a little bit uncomfortable. That's all.
When you're skating,
Yeah.
in the passenger, you won't really tell, but
Yeah, this is insane.
PlayStation game.
It is. I was literally gonna say it's like playing a PlayStation.
So controllable when it kicks. It's like a game.
But then if we try it off the line, I'm sorry, but I'm genuinely very curious because I know it won't launch, will it?
I haven't done launch on it.
Try
so I'm not
launch.
sure.
Oh no, it won't. No, it won't do it. Yeah. I think with the launch system on the M cars, I'm sorry, but they're total dog crap. They are. They don't launch great.
You know in the M car launch control, you can actually set the RPMs.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, go on. That's my last track.
With the scroller, you can actually push it up and down to launch at whatever rev you want.
I know you can.
4K.
I know you can adjust it, but the thing is, it's trying to get the bloody thing to work.
Yeah.
That's when it's all great adjusting it, but is it actually going to put it into launch
Actually,
mode?
I think I know how to get it in launch. Actually, I think you've got to put the gear knob in manual.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I thought. Oh, sorry.
No, you've got to knock it to. You've got to put everything in sports and then slap the.
Turn it back around one more time. Try it.
Yeah, you can. It's not that right.
All right. So
Got
manual.
hard on the brake. Very
Right,
hard.
left foot. No, it won't do it.
Is your foot as hard?
No, it won't do it. Oh. The gear changes are. Yeah, they're so aggressive. So aggressive. I kind of prefer it in manual.
Yeah.
Genuinely. I'm doing short shifting there, but if you put it down to 3, yeah, it's awesome. Honestly, the gear changes are so aggressive. So if you chuck it 3rd to 2nd,
a bit sideways.
I think I'm used to putting cars sideways now. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, it's so much nicer in manual.
Yeah?
In manual mode, 100%.
I'll be honest, I rarely drive it in manual. I just let it do its thing.
Right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna chuck it out of sport now.
M1.
Yeah.
Oh,
was it?
Top one.
Oh yeah, sorry, my bad.